Hi everyone, let's clean up this moldy mini food chopper using natural ingredients, white vinegar and water at a ratio of 3:1. Watch until the end of the video to see whether it works. Spray and let it sit on the surface for at least 15 minutes. Brush away with a toothbrush. There is nothing more satisfying to see than the dirt coming off, isn't it? Wipe clean. Ta-da! Good as new, sparkling and all clean. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave me a comment, like this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Click and watch everything you need to know about how to make homemade bleach cleaner in 3 minutes. It is life-changing, and when you do, you will be glad that you did.